welcome back to my channel. I have a nail polish haul for you guys today. If you follow my channel for a while, then you know that over the last year or 2 years, I've been trying to slowly transition my collection of nail polish to pretty much all Zoya. I really love Zoya. They are free of a lot of the chemicals that are used in conventional nail polishes, and it's really the only nail polish that I will let my girls use, and I'm really trying to get myself switched over to all Zoya polishes. So a couple times a year they have a really good sale. Usually they have one for Earth Day, which is I think usually 50% off, which is what the deal that I got, which is a really good deal because their polishes are usually $12 a piece. It makes them $6 a piece. So a lot more affordable to get some polishes when they have a sale like that. And then Black Friday I think is either like 50% off or 70% off, something crazy like that. So I knew this sale was coming. I had a few polishes that I wanted to pick up that I did not get on Black Friday. This haul in particular is all like spring and summer colors, obviously. We're getting into warmer weather, and I'm really excited to add some new shades to my collection. Some things I really don't have anything like. In particular, I was looking for some peaches and some coral, like salmon colors, because I really don't have a lot in my collection that is in that range. So I've got 4 colors that kind of fit that kind of qualification, and then I have 2 purples because I can't get nail polish without getting some kind of purple. So the first polish I got is Mickey, M-I-C-K-Y. It's probably going to be hard to see on camera, and that's one thing that's bad about shopping for nail polish online. It's really hard to tell what the color actually is. I do a lot of like cross-referencing between YouTube videos and Pinterest pictures and blog pictures to try to figure out what these colors actually look like. But I would definitely say it's a little bit of a pink. It definitely pulls to the coral side of pink, kind of a mid-range tone. So if you're looking for a pinky coral kind of a color, or you really don't want to go completely coral, this is a good kind of in-between. Very, very similar is Windy, and it's just a little bit lighter. If you look at the 2 here, I'm not sure if you can tell with the lighting. Let me turn the bottle sideways. So Mickey is a little bit more pink, and Windy is a little bit more peach, if you can see that at all. I'm not sure if you can tell. So very, very subtle. You probably don't need both colors, but again, it's one of those things that online it's hard to tell. So I ended up with these 2, and I do like them both. I probably didn't need both, but it's okay. Then I got Winnie, which is definitely more pink. And if you see Winnie right here, definitely a like Barbie kind of bubblegum pink. Compared to the other 3, you can probably see a little bit that Winnie is definitely more pink than Windy, or what was the other one, Mickey. So I really like this one. I'm excited. I think I'm going to wear this one on my toes when we go to Disney. I'm excited about that one. And then the last pinky shade that I got, which actually does look a little bit more peach. Ignore if I've got nail polish on my skin. I just painted my nails in this color. This is Low, L-O. It looks pink, and it is pink, but it definitely a bit more of a corally pink. So kind of along the same lines as these other 2, which kind of are in the mid-range between a pink and a coral, which is kind of what I like because I didn't want it to go orange. So I think it's a good in-between. It's very vibrant. They have a really good opacity, really, really thick formulation, so I love those. And the last 2 that I got, and I'm really excited about these because I love purple. I love to wear purple, I love purple eyeshadow, and I love purple nail polish. So I picked up Abby, and Abby is actually a replacement for a Sally Hansen shade that I had that I loved, but the quality is not that great, and it doesn't have, you know, the better chemicals or ingredients that the Zoya polishes do. So I definitely wanted to replace that one with this one. So Abby I think is a really pretty, just a soft purple lilac color. And then I also got Lois, which is a very vibrant purple, an orchid color almost. It reminds me a lot of Essie's Playdate, which I love that color. I'm not a fan of Essie's formulation. I'm not a fan of their brushes. So I think this is going to be fun to replace that one with. That's kind of the whole Earth Day Zoya promotion. They really want you to get rid of conventional polishes and replace them with the Zoya polish. So this is kind of like a good faith thing that you agree that you will get rid of some of those conventional polishes in exchange for the great sale at Zoya. So I'm really, really excited about this color. I think it's perfect for spring. It's perfect for summer. I wish I'd had it on Easter. It'd be a good Easter color too. So Those are the polishes that I picked up for my most recent Zoya haul. I really love them. I think their polishes are great. Just get signed up for their newsletter and follow them on Instagram, and that way whenever they have a promotion like this, you'll be able to, you know when it's coming and kind of get your shopping list ready. Because I think it's really fun. I do like getting at least, usually I get 5 or 6 polishes every time they have a sale. So slowly but surely, my nail polish collection is becoming more and more Zoya, and I really love it. So hope you guys enjoyed this haul, and if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end of this video. If you want to see 2 of my older videos, you can click the links right here. And if you want to subscribe to my channel, if you haven't already, and you definitely should, you can click right here. I upload every single week. I have some links in the description box for some of my favorite stores and products, as well as my P.O. box address. Check out those links if you're interested in those, and I will see you guys in the next video.